Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to this new video. And my first price prediction on the WORLDCOIN, or a WLD is the abbreviation. Had to make a video on it, of course. Yesterday had a big launch. I'm not sure what the volume is right now. Volume right now around $650 million, which is pretty high. Market cap has dropped down significantly to 200 million. I think long term, great pick, like 200 million I think is very, very low. Even though the circulating supply is that low, I still think this is a great coin. I also wrote, if you're interested in that, I wrote a Twitter thread on that yesterday. On what it is and what you need to know. So if you're interested in that, just go to Cilinix or at cilinixfxcapital on Twitter. But for now, we'll take a look at it. We'll do a full technical analysis. We'll also take a look at some potential price targets at which levels you can buy, and just in general get a better overview of what's going on right now with WORLDCOIN. That's what we'll do. We will not get into the project. If you'd like to see a video review or some sort of a crypto review on WORLDCOIN, let me know. I could consider doing it. I must say the technicals behind the project are quite difficult. Like I read through the entire white paper yesterday. It's quite a lot to take in and quite a lot to kind of distinguish between what's necessary to know and what isn't. But for you, I'm willing to do that in the video. But for now, we'll get into it, all right? So apart from that, I also have my own signal group. So if you want to receive daily trading signals, but also become a better trader altogether, then consider that. The links are down in the description, or you can just go to cilinix.com and there you will also find more information. So now what we're seeing with WORLDCOIN is something that is relatively interesting, right? So right now our last support was 1.85 last night. Altogether the trend is definitely down. I bought this very briefly yesterday after launch at around 2.8. I sold at $3, luckily, because otherwise I would have been down massively already. But yeah, so we're definitely in a downtrend. What we're seeing is that we're kind of dropping down in increments of 0.15. So we had a bit of support right here at $2. Then we had support at 2.15. We reacted to 2.3. We didn't find support, but we reacted there. 1.85 is our current support. So given that structure, 1.7 is our next support level, right? At some point of time, like right now, we're still trending down a lot. At some point of time, we'll find support, consolidate, and we might rally from there. Depends a lot on the market circumstances, all right? In the end, that's just the way it is. So for now, I don't see any reason why we would stop this downtrend, all right? There was a brief chance when we were right here at around 2.1 to stop that downtrend, because 2.1 is our main resistance. And from there, we could have actually broken above that, gotten up to 2.25 and consolidated a little bit. Could have done that. It doesn't look like it's happening. Right now, we've also dropped down below the 28 EMA, which we regained as a support level briefly. So the most likely scenario at this point of time is that we'll drop down to 1.7. All right. In the end, we'll probably find some support at 1.85 again first. But if from 1.85 we aren't able to do anything, like we are not able to break above 1.95 and $2 again, then that's just a major bearish confirmation, and I would expect 1.7. And then from 1.7 we'll see again. I'll be back with a new analysis on it, but from there we'll have to see whether we can get meaningful bullish momentum and also some bullish confirmations or not, because if not, then we're going to drop down all the way to 1.55 and 1.5, which at this point of time, long term, it looks quite likely that we'll drop down there. So if you want to drop that, if you want to buy WLD, then consider waiting, all right? Because it will still take some time before we get there, but I do think that ultimately we will drop down there. So yeah, that's my take on WORLDCOIN for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.